Welcome to Property Vlogs, presenting the 3 BHK luxury apartment video tour. This is the semi-furnished apartment available for resale at Sobha City, Bangalore. Super built-up area of the apartment is 1900 square feet approximately. Living room, spacious balconies, and this is the living room. So we are heading towards the master bedroom of the apartment. This room is furnished with wardrobe and attached balcony and attached bathroom. This is the kitchen of the apartment, and this kitchen has separate room and attached toilet to the maids. So here is the second bedroom of the apartment with attached bathroom and all the modern fittings in the bathroom. From the window you can see the stunning landscape garden view. So this is the common bathroom. Here is the third bedroom of the apartment, and this room also furnished with wardrobe, fans, lighting, all the fittings are there. In the living room, this is the dining area. Exterior of the apartment with stunning landscape gardens. 36 acres of big project at North Bangalore near Manyata Tech Park, Bangalore. This apartment complex has state-of-art clubhouse with luxury amenities. This is the heated swimming pool and other amenities like cafeteria, necessity store, indoor play area, multi-purpose hall, spa, gymnasium, yoga room, and inside the apartment complex, cafe coffee day area. Beautiful view of the apartment. Thank you for watching the 3 BHK luxury apartment video tour by Property Vlogs. Please like, share and subscribe for latest apartment tour and house tours.